Hello fellow rebels and welcome back to the channel. As you can see, the boys are heading out for a spin. Must be summer.
Leave me Brian, so.
Huh?
Leave me Brian and then fuel up, yeah?
Yeah. Before we start the video, Gary dropped the bike already. And he's after pulling a hamstring, so Gary's just normal today. Last time he pulled a hamstring was like that was with St. Ottran's before he got signed in. Lovely sunny day. It's 17 degrees, I think it's 17 anyway. Could be making that up, but we're going to go to Dungarvan for a spin. Don't know why it's done it in that accent, but yeah, that's what we're doing. Up to Dungarvan for a spin with the boys. Yeah, Gary dropped his bike. He was taking around the corner and his hamstring went. So his hamstring is a bit in bits, so we'll have to keep an eye on him. He might get the hamstring and might not be able to get into gear or whatever, so this should be interesting. But yeah, it's a proper summer's day now. The wind has kind of died down a bit and the sun has come out. I mean, I say that, the sun goes in. But yeah, I'm going to head out the road anyway, enjoy a spin with the lads and see what happens from here. So let's go. Fam.
Triumph, right?
Union Jack. Love the Union Jack.
Get that off there now.
What?
Pop.
Come on, Marty, you lead the way.
Yeah, wait a 1 second. Pa. I know. Should you do something to that?
You didn't leave the lights on, Marty, did you?
What?
You didn't leave the lights on.
No, sure, she started, sure.
No, they automatically go off.
Kickstand fully up. No, look.
Oh yeah. You fucking dickhead.
You can out the molly.
My bike had a hamstring.